These digital particles are rearranged to coalesce into a structure that didn't exist a moment ago. This is the difference between analyzing and creating. Older artificial intelligence was built to sort and classify. It could filter spam from an inbox or identify a specific object in a photograph, but it stayed within the bounds of what was already there. Generative AI produces net new text, working code, and original images from scratch based on a user's instructions. The machine is moving from a passive analytical tool to an active creator of information. Because the interface usually looks like a chat box, it is easy to assume these tools function like advanced search engines or calculators. Treating the system as a database for verified facts or an expert that reasons through problems leads to high-risk errors. These tools can confidently deliver incorrect information. They do not have a way to cross-reference their outputs against the truth, and they do not actually know facts. Using this technology effectively requires a new mental model that ignores old expectations of digital tools. The large language models powering these assistants were trained by ingesting billions of examples of human writing. Once that training is finished, the model is an isolated system. It does not look things up on the internet or retrieve answers from a live database. When you provide a prompt, the model uses math to predict the most statistically likely next piece of language. It builds its response one word at a time based on the patterns it absorbed during training. This is why hallucinations occur. The AI creates a grammatically perfect sentence based on a pattern, even if the specific facts in that sentence are invented. Because the AI is a prediction engine rather than a reasoning engine, a confident tone is never a guarantee of accuracy. While prediction has limits, it is a significant advantage for information tasks, work that involves creating, organizing, or summarizing content. Since the models were trained on nearly every form of human communication, they can handle language-heavy work in seconds. Current AI systems work across images, video, and audio alongside text. This means you can upload a photograph to be described, or feed the AI a spreadsheet, have it construct a chart, and then synthesize the findings into a report. Generative AI functions as a general-purpose assistant, capable of handling diverse content types in a single workflow. Writing tasks that used to require significant time and specific skills can now be completed in seconds. Drafting an email or formatting notes is a safe, high-value use of the tool. However, high-stakes tasks like legal analysis or medical guidance still require human expertise and accountability. Using AI safely requires a verification habit. You must independently check any critical claims, statistics, or citations the system produces. The AI speeds up the execution of the work, but the person using it remains responsible for the final result. Consider this boat navigating a winding river as a framework for working with AI. The AI's role is rowing. It handles the heavy lifting, drafting, formatting, and summarizing at a speed no human can match. Your role is steering. You set the direction, verify the quality of the output, and apply your judgment to the final product. The AI can row fast, but it only follows patterns. It has no understanding of where the boat is actually going. By treating the AI as a prediction engine rather than an oracle, you can offload the execution and focus your entirely on human judgment.